Today, I'm diving into my personal experience with Alvi Armani Artistic Hair Transplants, a clinic that's become well known in the field of hair restoration. From the moment I landed on their website, the professionalism stood out. It's sleek, modern, and clearly designed to provide a luxury-level experience. The homepage is loaded with before and after galleries, testimonials, and a focus on artistic design, which is a major selling point they emphasize throughout. But does that marketing hold up in reality? Navigating the site, it's easy to find information about different procedures they offer. They focus heavily on FUE, follicular unit extraction, which is currently considered one of the most advanced methods in hair transplantation. Unlike older strip methods, FUE is less invasive and leaves minimal scarring. Alvi Armani claims to go beyond the technical side and approach each transplant like a piece of art. While that sounds great, it also raises the bar for results. Booking a consultation through their website was straightforward, but I did notice that response times varied. While some users report being contacted within a day, my own experience involved a bit of back and forth. It took around 3 days to actually confirm my appointment, which, for a premium-priced clinic, felt longer than expected. Once inside the clinic, I have to admit, the environment matches the promise. Clean, private, and very high-end. The consultation itself was detailed. They analyzed my hair density, discussed the potential donor area, and even used imaging to simulate possible outcomes. One thing to note is that they are quite confident in their abilities, and that comes across in the way they present the procedure. Not in an arrogant way, but they do suggest they're the best option available. The cost? Definitely not cheap. Prices are on the high end, and while they justify it with their track record and artistry, it's important for viewers to know this isn't for every budget. Transparency about pricing isn't fully provided on the website. You have to go through a consultation to get actual numbers. In my opinion, that could be improved. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The day of the procedure was smooth. They have a system down, from intake to post-op instructions. The actual transplant took several hours, but I appreciated how they kept checking in to make sure I was comfortable. Post-procedure care is another strong point. You get a detailed recovery plan, and the team is responsive to questions afterward. Swelling and redness lasted about a week for me, which is normal, but what impressed me was how quickly I started to see signs of new growth. However, it's not all perfect. One issue is that the site somewhat oversells how fast results will appear. While they say many patients notice improvements in a few months, it realistically takes about 6 to 9 months for significant change, and up to a year for full results. This should be communicated more clearly. Overall, Alvi Armani Artistic Hair Transplants offers a top-tier service for those who can afford it. The combination of medical expertise and aesthetic design is impressive. That said, the high price point and some delays in communication are things potential clients should consider. Still, if you're looking for a premium hair restoration experience that focuses on both function and appearance, this clinic is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real user experiences and honest reviews.